There was this one time we did an RV. It was me and a guy that I had last year working with me named Braden. Hope you're doing well. This RV took a week. I think it was 6 or 7 days. We corrected it and then we coated it. So we put 3 layers of Ceramic Pro 9H on it and 1 layer of light. Mr. Charhall was super happy with it. And if you look at it, I mean, it's freaking gorgeous. It really is. This is the biggest project I've ever done. Biggest project! But these RVs though, it's an automotive top coat, so the ceramic coating can go on top of it. And it's gonna work just like it will on a vehicle. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous.